I'm Isa and I'm from Poland. I'm an ESC volunteer with Arosha here in the south of France. I study and protect the biodiversity in the Vallée des Bois. In this video, I will talk about the projects I've been working on and a bit about my life here. So my first area of focus has been butterflies. During spring and summer, we do regular surveys that contribute to a program called STURF. It's a national program in France, monitoring the butterfly abundance and aiming to link it with environmental changes. So what this means in practice is that we walk along predefined paths called transects and we count all the butterflies that we see. For this, we need to identify them, which is not always easy, which means we need to catch them and really look in detail, especially for some really small blue butterflies, for which the difference between two species can be just one small dot on the wing. We also study dragonflies through a national program called STUDY. The reserve of Lilong is a real hotspot for biodiversity. We find over 50 species of dragonflies in here. This includes protected species such as Oxygastra cortesi and Gomphus grasslini. Similar as with the butterflies, we walk along the transect during spring and summer and count all the dragonflies that we see. They can be quite hard to catch as they move very fast. We also have a project about a specific butterfly species called Ladian or Xerinthia polyxina. We studied the two populations of this butterfly using the capture-microcapture method. This means that we catch the butterflies and we mark each of them with a unique number to estimate the population size. We also manage the two sites by cutting grass once a year to help the host plant Aristolochia rotunda. The final group of animals that I'll mention are the reptiles. We do regular reptile surveys in the reserve, and in 2024 we also had a project about a specific species of lizard, the ocellated lizard. It is the biggest lizard in Europe. Finally, we are based in a beautiful area near Arles. I've loved exploring the artistic side of the area, like following in the footsteps of Van Gogh, who painted the Starry Night here. When I first arrived, I really felt like I was in one of his paintings, surrounded by cypress and olive trees. There are also great cultural events around here, like the Photography Festival in Arles and the Festival d'Avignon, a major international theater festival. And in my free time, I also like to dance salsa and bachata, and in summer, I really like dancing outdoors in Arles. So this is what I've been up to as an ESC volunteer at Arosha, France, Mas Mireille, studying biodiversity. To discover more about different projects, take a look at our other videos. Thanks for listening. Bye!